how to install Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, search for Honor of Kings. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Level Infinite. Now simply tap on this install button. So it will take some time. So what is Honor of Kings? It is a multiplayer game where there are different characters that you can equip. So here you can even play it with your friends, and it is a fun multiplayer game where there are different missions and fightings too. So it will take some time and you're all ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.